my gosh.
No kidding!
Theo, grab it!
So for the towels,
Just get a bowl or like a.
The kind we manufacture and get all excited about, and then after a few years,
okay,
continue.
Amy. You guys, you're not supposed to be friends.
Huh?
His tail. Now what do we do? Get a piece of paper and then I can like scoop it.
Okay. Do you? Who wants to hold the cat? Cause someone.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
How do we pick it up?
Okay. No, what you do is.
Just do it really fast. It's not stuck, right?
No.
Okay,
Just scared
can we just
me.
throw the whole thing out
Really
like,
quick.
Yeah. Hey, can you do that? 3.